Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Perfect. In this video I'm gonna show you how to delete Facebook page. So you can easily delete your Facebook page. So today I'll show some process. So don't skip this video. See my full video and subscribe to my channel. So let's start it. First of all, you need to access your Facebook application. Just click on Facebook application and then click on three dot line at the top. Right now click on pages. Now you can see my page. You can click here, edit pages. Click on edit page. Right now you can see many options, but you can click on setting. Click on setting and then click on general. It will be processing. Scroll down. So if you delete your page, so just click on permanently delete TechFly. Click on. So now click on delete pages. So finally delete your page. So if you're new here in my channel, please subscribe and press the bell button. Thanks for watching my videos.